On today's show,
we're going to show you how to do
iHeartRadio and Pandora
on the 7012 Kenwood. Stay tuned.
Okay, so today we want to show you how you can do Pandora and iHeartRadio on the Kenwood 7012 VT.
That's right. So, without further ado, let's take a look. Okay, so first thing we want to do is come over here and hit menu, hit all source. We're going to pick iHeartRadio, and then that'll pull up iHeartRadio. We'll hit the search icon. We can look at my stations, which I don't have any. Stations near you. And we can scroll through which ones we want. So we find one, we'll go ahead and tap that. And boom, there you go. You're listening to iHeartRadio. And if we want to do Pandora, we'll tap that. Alright, so now it's going to show us Pandora. Across the bottom here, it's going to say we can thumb up, thumb down. We hit the search icon, it's going to give us genre list or station list. So here's all your stations. Tap that. Now we're listening to that music. We can track forward, go to the next song. And that's really about it.
How cool is that?
I know, right? Pandora and iHeartRadio on a 7012. 7012. This flip out has a lot of stuff. Okay, guys, as usual, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Have a good night. Oh, where can they find us?
Yeah, you can find us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.
Yeah. Silly me. All right, have a good night. See you.